Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today's video how to remove website maintenance mode and get back in your business again. You can see my website maintenance mode is on. I'm going to show you how to turn off that maintenance mode. First you need to log into your website admin panel. Then procedure may be different slightly depending on the platform you're using. Anyhow, if you cannot get disable maintenance mode, you can contact your website hosting provider for assistance. Okay, after you log into your website, you can see that maintenance mode is on. You can see that padlock. Okay, click that padlock, go into your login details and all the details. Then you can click login. Back to my website. After all the login details, you can see your name, then go into under dashboard. Let's scroll down, see that maintenance, click that maintenance. Okay, now you can see my website maintenance is on position. Then I'm going to off position, click that. All right, and right now my website is off position, no more maintenance mode is on. Then we can see that save change. So don't forget to save change. Okay, after save change, you can exit the admin panel. Okay, after change maintenance mode off position, don't forget to save change. Then your website get back in. Then you can exit admin panel and refresh your page. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.